Hello, everybody. My name is Raquel Martinez. Sorry, I'm so close to the microphone. I don't know. It's hello. Welcome to the School2Home Productions. My name is Raquel Martinez, and this is my partner,
Victoria Ayala.
And today we're going to be talking about affordable internet. All right. So, what are today's objectives?
Today's objectives are to provide affordable internet options to all of our families, explore internet options, and rank the best options for you.
Just in case you're wondering, why am I here? Hey, we're gonna guide you through this. We're gonna get through this together.
So this is our School2Home team, as we just mentioned. I am Victoria, the parent training lead. This is Raquel Martinez, the affordable internet lead. And we have Mr. Arroyo, who's the teacher training lead, Miss Janet Mejia, who's the student training lead, Mr. Ricardo Ramos, our tech lead, and Miss Yumi Kawasaki, our administrative lead.
If you ever come on campus and you see any of these people on campus, we're all trained to help you.
Yes. If you have any questions or concerns, as always, you can feel free to contact me, or I will relay the message to any other person in our team as well. I am the parent training lead, so these are specifically geared towards you. You can email me at victoria.ayala@lausd.net or send me a text message at 323-546-9332, and I will get to you as soon as I can.
All right, so let's begin with a little background information on how School2Home, or just like how this affordable broadband came to be. So as you already know, because of the pandemic, we have faced a new style of living. So from home and work to our children's education, we are all learning different ways to navigate through this new norm. As an organization, School2Home seeks to provide our families with the resources they need to help their students transition from learning in the classroom to successfully learning at home, starting with affordable broadband. So this whole presentation is just based on low internet for all of you, and where you're not being charged or no cost, and where you're not being charged ridiculous amounts just so you can have internet.
All right. So, how to qualify for affordable internet? In order to get low cost internet, one of the following needs to apply to you. So, you either have to be low income, which is your household makes below 49,000, live in public housing, have a student in school, K through 12 or in college, participate in the free school lunch program. Luckily, Markham Middle School is the whole school is a free school lunch program school. So you don't have to worry whether there are some people who make a little more money than low income. This whole school is under the umbrella of the free lunch program. Also have CalFresh or CalWorks, which is food stamps. Participate in the SSI, Supplemental Security Income, which is for disabled children, adults, and elderly over 65. Have Medi-Cal or Medicaid, WIC, or a student in the Head Start program, which is little kids.
Yeah, so depending on the internet services, you either need one or a couple in order to qualify, but any of these will qualify you. So, Miss Martinez, Miss Raquel, how do I know what internet service? I'm Miss Martinez. How do I know what internet options are available to me? Well, if you click on this link, it'll only ask you to input your address or your zip code. I don't remember which one. And it will give you a list of companies that service your area. And it's not only available to you, but if you have any friends or families who are just wondering what is available to me, anyone can use this link.
Yep. You just put in your zip code and it gives you all of your options.
But we're not going to make you go through that. That's why you're here. You're here to know what are your options. Luckily, me and Miss Victoria went through all of these resources for many hours, and we finally figured it out. What is the best resources for our families?
Option 1 is the Emergency Broadband Benefit, or the EBB. The EBB program is a Federal Communications Commission program that provides a temporary discount on monthly broadband bills for qualifying low-income households. So if your house is eligible, you can receive up to a $50 discount on your internet service and associated equipment rentals, up to $75 a month discount if your household is on qualifying tribal lands, which is Native American lands, a one-time discount for a laptop, tablet, or desktop computer, with the co-payment of between $10 to $50. They work with companies like AT&T, Verizon, Spectrum, T-Mobile, and others. You just have to contact your internet provider and ask if the EBB is available to you. But keep in mind, AT&T is not one of the companies that services our areas, unfortunately. And also keep in mind, documentation needs to be provided in order to qualify.
So, for example, let's say Miss Linda out there has Verizon and her bill was $150 this month. You can call them and be like, hey, do you have the EBB or the Emergency Broadband Benefit program? And they're going to say either yes or no. If they say yes, you are in luck because they're going to just ask you a couple of questions, some documentation, and guess what? Your bill, instead of being 150, is now $100. That's a lot. Whew.
Makes a difference.
But it makes a difference, okay? And the great thing about this program is that it has been updated. So last year it was only one time per household, but now you can literally qualify every month. And not a lot of people know about this resource,
Yeah.
so you can continue to keep using it every month.
Woo. Option 2 is Human IT. Human IT provides internet for $15 a month, and you can also get low cost technology devices like laptops or tablets from them because they are refurbished. So that means that they take old devices, fix them, and sell them for way cheaper than they would have originally cost. Human IT believes whether you're not connected or you're paying too much for internet access, Human IT is here to help you get online at a price you can afford. They'll help you navigate reduced rate programs at no cost, and if you're outside the range of those services, which is with them, they'll help you get set up with a mobile hotspot to ensure everyone has reliable access to the web. So basically, they will do all the work for you. You just fill out a form, and they will have their team contact you and identify the best options for you.
Option 3, which would be Spectrum or Charter. So with them, Spectrum makes it simple for qualifying households to sign up for low internet access, which includes free internet modem, which would be the box, high internet speeds of 30 Mbps, no data caps, no contracts, option of in-home Wi-Fi for $5 a month, and you can cancel anytime. You will need a Spectrum account. So either you need to have an existing account, or if you create a new account with them, this is all available to you. Just make sure you're asking them for low income assistance. I would just ask that right off the bat, because let's say you sign up and then this doesn't exist. We don't want you to get stuck. So just be like, hey, do you have low cost internet for families in need? They'll tell you yes or no. If they say no, that's your chance to dip. Just don't come back. just go. We have other options for you.
Yep. Also, keep in mind all the links that we're showing in this video. We actually are going to have a link under the video on our page where you can click and you can explore each one either by scanning a QR code or clicking the link itself. Option 4. Option 4 is the ITD, Information Technology Division with LAUSD. So this is every student connected. The LAUSD is working to ensure every student and employee has access to internet connectivity needed for high quality teaching and learning. We are exploring device and connectivity needs to provide the right solution for every student, every educator, and every family. Please let us know how we can best support your child by completing the parent acknowledgement and device connectivity request form. This resource, which is a brand new one that we just got, is one of the better options because we will be the ones directly helping you fill out the device.lausd.net request form. This form, you have to fill it out through Parent Portal. So you have to make sure that you have a Parent Portal account. But you can always, like I said, contact any of us and we will sit down with you to do it step by step and try to get you free, if not close to free, internet for your LAUSD students.
Now, we are going to rank these resources for you, but if you've been here and you paid attention, like especially in the previous slide, you already know who the clear winners are. Obviously, we can't count, so we said that number 1 is the Human IT. We completely lied. We're going to definitely, just in this occasion, we're going to rank the LAUSD one as number 1. It was a very close call. These are both really good resources. The great thing about these resources is that they both will do the work for you, and all you have to do is fill out forms. However, the only reason we ranked the LAUSD one before Human IT is because we're helping you through the process. It is us, and your child already goes to LAUSD. And LAUSD might, we don't know yet. We're gonna, as time goes by, we'll probably figure this out. But LAUSD might have the better competitive options in comparison to Human IT, because I'm pretty sure Human IT is gonna do what we've done before, just give you the resources and then help you navigate. But the LAUSD one seems like the better option because it's zero to low cost internet, and they do most of the work. Well, we are LAUSD. We'll do most of the work for you. And remember, the only thing you need to do is have a parent portal. That's it. Parent
and I can
portal.
help you get that if you don't already have it.
She'll help you. No documentation needed. No proof of anything. Just maybe that your kid goes to an LAUSD school.
Exactly.
You just need parent portal. Just parent portal.
Simple as that.
Simple. That's why we rank that one number one.
All right. So, as always, questions or comments, feel free to contact us. My information is below again. We recommend sending a text message in case I am assisting another parent or in a meeting or something like that. My number is 323-546-9332. And you can also feel free to email me with any inquiries at victoria.ayala@lausd.net.
Also, before you leave, please go ahead and fill out this exit ticket for us. We're going to show you two ways to access this exit ticket. The first one will be the QR code. All you literally have to do is get your phone, turn on your camera, and you're going to face your camera on top of the QR code. You don't have to take a picture, and it automatically leads you to the exit ticket, which looks like that. It's only like 3-4 questions. It's only going to take you like 3 seconds.
Very short.
Okay, and there's a reason why we need you to fill out these exit tickets, which I'll explain later. But let me show you the second way that you can access the exit ticket if you're not comfortable using the QR code. So once again, QR code, get your phone, turn on your camera, just put the camera to the QR code, don't take a picture, and it will send you, you click on the link, and it will send you. If that's too much for you, you're going to go straight to newmarkham.com, and you're going to go onto the blue little bar, and you're going to go straight to parents. You're going to click on the second option, which is tech trainings. And then you're going to find all of the resources that we'll be talking from now to the future. And it has all of the previous workshops. It has just information. It has whether you need the videos in English or Spanish. Most of all, it does have also a little cheat sheet, which gives you the list of all the workshops that we've done. This is the one I'm highlighting right now. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because we're doing a raffle. Okay, we're doing a raffle. We'll talk about it right now.
Yes.
Oh, actually, she brought it up. I hope you can see this. If you finish all of the 6 videos, you complete all of the trainings, you will be entered into a raffle to win a Nintendo Switch.
Woo!
This will be decided on December 15th, 2021 at 9 a.m. We will be choosing a winner. The great thing about this is that not a lot of parents do this, so you have a pretty high chance of winning a Nintendo Switch.
Yep. And December 15th is also where we're going to celebrate for the parents who do all 6 of the workshops. So it's going to be like a little graduation ceremony. We're going to have breakfast and other raffles besides the Nintendo Switch. So everybody wins.
So in total, it is 6 different videos, 6 different workshops,
which are all here
in this little check sheet. But let's go back to how do we go into the exit ticket? Because in order for you to be into the raffle, you need to complete these exit tickets
so that we can give you credit for having done them.
Yes. So you're going to go to the side and you're going to click on exit tickets. And then you're going to, depending on the workshop that you're doing. So right now there's only 3 exit tickets. So if you're doing the introduction, then obviously you would do the introduction. If you're doing workshop 1, digital literacy, obviously you'll do digital 1. But today's workshop is workshop number 2, affordable internet. And this is what it looks like. All you need to do is answer it. and you're entered into a raffle to win, once again, a Nintendo Switch.
And back to the program. See? So here it is, the big old picture of the Nintendo Switch. Just in time for the holidays, we're going to be raffling on the 15th of December, which is right before we go on Christmas break. It's that Wednesday before we go on Christmas break. So this can save you a lot of money. All it takes is a tiny bit of effort and you wanting to learn more about technology to help both yourself and your students achieve in school.
Once again, if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're here to help you. We want you to win. So if you have any questions, just get in contact with us or just come to the school and ask for any of us. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you in the next workshop.